And so, got a 2015 Buick. What's this, an Enclave or Encore? Encore, the one with a turbo. And we got a leak on it. And this is the turbocharger return line right here. You got two bolts. They're E10s right there. And just pop this out right here. That goes into the oil pan. And this part right here breaks. It gets rusted out and it just breaks, especially if the oil fill line is clogged up. We used to have this problem at the dealership a bunch. That's the fill line right there. You got to take off this plate right here, and then you take off these two bolts, and that line right there gets clogged up. And you know, just if you don't change your oil and stuff like that, right, you know, in the right time, just over time, it just gonna clog up anyway. But if you do have this leaking right here, probably need to replace the fill line. Also, probably a good idea, but we're gonna take care of the issue at hand right now, which is this right here. And as you can see, it's been leaking for a long time. It's all caked up right there, and that's where it goes right there. Just pop that out right here from the just lift that tab up, pull it out. And first we're gonna take off these two E10s, and got my little setup right there. So I'm probably need two hands for this oil pan, because it's probably gonna drip some oil. So you can see the oil real caked up right there, but that's usually what causes these to fail. So get clogged up. Just make sure it looks the same. And so little tip right here. The new pipe was a little bit longer. You have to bend it into the shape of the old one, or you bend it while it's in there. So I struggled trying to put it in there, like trying to bend it. But if you bend it like before you put it in, it'll probably help out a lot of the installation. What you say? But anyways, that's how I got it bent. So I started by putting the nose in right here, because you're gonna have to. You gotta put the nose in first, otherwise there ain't no room. Then you have to bend it. And I would start doing this bolt first, and then get it halfway, and then do the other one. That's how I did it with but just do one of the bolts, do it halfway, and then by hand, and then do the other one. Let's see, you got to bend it like this right here though, just to make it fit.